Hello friends, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Developer Tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is test class. Apex unit tests ensure high quality for our Apex code and let us meet requirements for developing Apex. The Apex testing framework enables us to write and execute tests for our Apex classes and triggers on the Lightning platform. Testing is the key of successful long-term development and is a critical component of the development process. The Apex testing framework makes it easy to test our Apex code. Apex code can only be written in a sandbox environment or a developer or not in production. Apex code can be deployed to a production org from a sandbox. Syntax @is test static void test name in curly braces code block. Alternate syntax static test method void test name in curly braces code block. Test classes and test methods verifies whether a particular piece of code is working or not. Apex test coverage ensures that our code meets certain standards. Minimum test coverage required to deploy to production is 75%. Method test.start is used to start the test. Method test.end is used to end the test. To check the code coverage for trigger must be active. Check test class code coverage. Setup, build, develop Apex classes, run test. System.assert equals. It is used to validate whether two values are equal or not. Basically, it is used in the test method. This method asserts that the first two arguments x and y are the same. If they are not, runtime exceptions are thrown. Benefits of Apex unit tests: ensuring that our Apex classes and triggers work as expected, meeting the code coverage requirements for developing Apex to production or distributing Apex to customer via packages, high quality apps delivered to the production org, which makes production users more productive. Sample class @is test private class my test class is the class name. @is test static void my test in curly braces code block. For example, create a class and also create a test class to check the code coverage percentage. Thank you. So coming back to our practical session, first we need to open developer console. For creating the test class, just I am going to click on file, new, Apex class. Here I am providing class name demo class. Demo class is the name, public class demo class, public string name, set get, public void save method name equals to sp. I am passing this sp name, clicking on file, save. Next I am going to create test class for this demo class, clicking on file, new, Apex class. I am providing the class name demo class test. Click OK. Here I am creating test class by the name demo class test. First @is test annotation, private class demo class test, @is test static void test me, demo class dc equals to new demo class dc.save method, system.assert equals sb and dc.name. Clicking on file, save. Now I am clicking on run test and seeing the code coverage. Code coverage is all test 100% we are getting. Thank you.